Here's how you can use less memory on CapCut PC. Well, hello everyone. Let's get started onto the video. Now basically, to use less memory on CapCut PC, what you can do is you can delete all the projects that has been saved and you can stop saving your projects that you have exported. So to do so, basically after you have finished editing, so you can see I have on this project here. While you're exporting it, tap on export here, click on export. And you can see export to option here and this videos. And you can see sync exported videos to space. You can turn this off. And you can go ahead and export it, right? Now once you have exported it, let me quit this and reopen it. Or you can head directly into back to home page as well. Here mistakenly I ended up quitting it. So let this load up. So you can see the projects have been saved here, even the ones I've already edited it. So what you can do is you can tap on three dots here and you can delete this. Click on three dots and delete it. So moving it to trash and then head over to trash option here and make sure to clear the trash as well. You want to delete the trash as well so it uses less space and memory. So this is how you can use this memory on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.